Application in horizontal direction. So in what way pseudo force acts in horizontal direction? So suppose we have a vertical surface, vertical surface, which can move. Okay, we keep an object in front of it and we just accelerate this system by applying some force. We accelerate this one. So if we accelerate this surface and the object A is in front of it, suppose it is just in contact with the surface. So how much will be the force, normal force acting on this object? Okay, so if there is a flat surface and there is an object kept in contact, it is just kept in contact and it is accelerated with a naught. The system is accelerated with a naught. So what will be the normal force on A? Find normal force on A. Find normal force on A. So how can we apply the normal force on A? See, on A we have one force. If we see what are the forces, so there are two ways to solve it. One is from the suppose this is called D, from frame B, or from the whatever the plate frame, from plate frame B, from plate B frame. If we see from plate B frame, if we see what are the different forces on A? The forces on A are what? Forces on A are, one is its weight, then we have a normal from here. Okay, then we will have a pseudo force because the whole system is accelerated. The plate B is accelerated rightward, so pseudo force will be leftward, ma naught. So we can write, since A is not moving on the plate frame, in horizontal direction at least it is stationary. In horizontal direction there is no acceleration, so n minus ma naught equal to 0 along horizontal. So we can write n equal to ma naught. Okay, so we can write like this. So this will be the value of normal force on block A. The same thing could be done with another method. If we do from ground frame, if you see, there is no vertical force acting on these two objects, only horizontal force normal is acting. On this object there is on this object A there is mg, vertical force is mg. On this object A there is a vertical force mg, and since we are observing from the ground frame, we will not apply any pseudo force. From ground frame we will not apply any pseudo force because ground frame is what? Inertial frame. Ground frame is not an accelerated frame, we assume. So only normal force. Okay, only these two forces. But here if you see in horizontal direction, the object is not stationary because this object is moving along with the plate. So the block A is moving along with the plate, so A is also having acceleration if you look it from ground. So from ground we have to write the normal force, the force equal to mass into acceleration. So again we are getting normal equal to ma. So if we look it from ground frame, we are going to get n equal to ma naught, and if we solve the same thing from the plate frame, then again we are going to get n equal to ma naught. So these two are just to look at the pseudo force thing from two different perspectives. Means in first case we have seen the pseudo force, in second case we have not considered pseudo force, but we have taken the whole acceleration of the object from the ground.